Hello, lovely ladies. Did you know that just a few minutes of yoga each day can help balance your thyroid and boost your overall well-being? Yes, specific yoga poses can target the thyroid gland, improving its function naturally. Whether you're dealing with hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, these yoga poses can help you feel healthier and more energized. Welcome to today's video on yoga for thyroid health. We'll explore 10 effective yoga poses that target the thyroid, giving you simple, natural ways to support your health. Before we begin, please remember to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before trying any of these poses, especially if you have any existing health conditions or concerns. Safety is always a priority, so be sure these exercises are right for you. We'll begin with some simple poses that anyone can do, no matter their age or flexibility level. Let's start with our first pose. This pose might look basic, but it's incredibly powerful for posture, breathing, and circulation. Stand tall with your feet together, arms at your sides, and gently stretch your body upward while keeping your feet grounded. This helps improve blood flow and brings energy to the thyroid gland. Hold the pose for a few deep breaths, feeling the stretch along your entire body. Next, let's look at a seated pose that helps relax the neck and throat area. Sukhasana, or easy pose, is a simple seated position. Sit with legs crossed, back straight, and gently tilt your head from side to stretch your neck. This releases tension around the neck, promoting relaxation and circulation to the thyroid. Take a few breaths as you tilt your head, feeling the gentle stretch in the neck and shoulders. With this relaxed start, let's move to a pose that lightly stretches the throat area. Cobra pose is a gentle back bend that opens up the chest and stretches the neck, supporting blood flow to the thyroid. Lie on your stomach with your hands under your shoulders, then lift your chest slightly while keeping your elbows bent. This pose helps stimulate the thyroid and strengthens the back. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your chest and throat. Now, let's explore a seated twist that gently massages the neck area. This twist is easy and very effective for thyroid health. Sit with one leg crossed over the other, and twist your torso to the opposite side, looking gently over your shoulder. This twist gently compresses the neck, promoting blood flow to the thyroid and relieving tension. Hold for a few breaths on each side, then switch. Next, we'll try a simple forward fold that helps calm the mind and stimulates circulation. Uttanasana, or forward bend, is a gentle inversion that brings blood flow to the neck and head. Stand with feet hip-width apart, slowly bend forward, and let your arms hang down or touch the floor. This stretch helps improve circulation to the thyroid area, reduces stress, and promotes relaxation. Hold the position for a few breaths, then slowly rise back up. Now, let's focus on a gentle chest opener that works wonders for the thyroid.
These next poses are equally gentle and provide great support for thyroid health. Let's keep going. Bridge pose is gentle yet effective for stimulating the thyroid. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips off the floor while keeping your shoulders grounded. This pose stretches the neck area and promotes healthy blood flow to the thyroid. Hold for a few breaths, breathing deeply as you feel the stretch. Following bridge pose, let's move to a seated stretch that opens up the neck and shoulders. For a gentle variation of camel pose, kneel on the floor with your hands on your hips and slowly arch your upper back, looking upward. This pose stretches the throat and chest area without putting strain on your neck. It supports thyroid function while also relieving tension. Hold the position for a few deep breaths. Next, let's do a seated forward fold that's relaxing and simple. This pose is great for relaxing and calming the body. Sit with your legs extended in front of you, reach forward toward your toes, and gently fold. This stretch helps improve blood flow around the neck and reduces stress, which benefits the thyroid. Hold the position for a few breaths, letting your body relax into the stretch. Now, let's move to a calming pose that's perfect for winding down. Child's pose is a gentle resting pose that calms the mind and relieves neck tension. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead rest on the mat. This pose reduces stress and promotes relaxation, both of which are essential for thyroid health. Hold for as long as you like, breathing deeply. To end our sequence, let's try one final pose to fully relax and rejuvenate. Savasana is a resting pose that helps your body absorb all the benefits of the previous poses. Lie flat on your back, arms at your sides, and close your eyes. This pose promotes complete relaxation, reduces stress, and supports overall health. Spend a few minutes in Savasana, letting go of any tension and focusing on calm, deep breaths. Thank you for following along with these gentle yoga poses for thyroid health. With consistent practice, these simple poses can support thyroid function, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. Remember, yoga is as much about connecting with yourself as it is about physical health, so take each pose at your own pace. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. I've also pinned the form link in the comments section, so it's easy to find. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Your health is worth every bit of effort you put in. Stay motivated, stay informed, and keep each step meaningful. The journey to wellness is ongoing, and every choice you make builds a brighter future. Together, let's make this journey rewarding. You are not alone on this path, keep going strong.